In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create colorful text effect in Canva. This is perfect for eye-catching titles, social posts, or thumbnails, and we'll keep it simple and clean so your design stands out without feeling cluttered. Start by opening your design in Canva. If you're beginning from a template, that's great. If not, a blank canvas works perfectly. On the left-hand panel, click Text. You'll see options for headings, subheadings, and body text. Choose Add a heading or insert a text box so you have a bold, editable area to work with. Type the text you want to transform. Keep it short and strong for the best visual impact. Once your text is on the canvas, click the text element to activate the editing toolbar at the top. Now click the text color option in the top toolbar. This opens the color picker. Choose a base color for the entire text first so you have a consistent starting point. High contrast colors against your background will improve readability. If your background is dark, go brighter. If it's light, consider deeper tones. For the colorful effect, highlight specific letters or words inside the same text box. You can drag across a letter, a word, or a phrase. With that selection active, pick a different color from the text color panel. Repeat this for each part you want to change. Try alternating hues within the same palette for a harmonious look, or go for complementary colors if you want a bolder pop. Aim for balance. Too many intense colors can compete with each other. Next, click Effects in the top toolbar if you'd like to add subtle depth. Shadow can help separate text from busy backgrounds. A lift adds a soft glow that increases legibility without being harsh. Neon creates a vibrant glow for a modern, electrified style. After choosing an effect, adjust the available settings, like intensity or transparency, to keep the effect supportive rather than overpowering. Refine the overall look by adjusting size, spacing, and alignment. Use the corner handles or the font size control to scale your text so it commands attention without crowding the edges. In the spacing options, increase letter spacing slightly for airy, modern titles, and adjust line height if you have multiple lines. Align left, center, or right based on your layout, and keep visual hierarchy in mind so your main message stays dominant. Finally, preview your design. Zoom out to see it as your audience will, and check that the colors are readable and cohesive. If something feels off, nudge the hues, effects, or spacing until everything looks crisp and intentional.